Let's talk about how real estate investors use life insurance policies as an incredibly powerful tool to buy more and more and more real estate. Now, this is a special policy. It has to be set up the correct way because there's two components to a life insurance policy, at least a permanent life insurance policy. There's the death benefit, and then there's the accumulated cash value that's earning interest, like a savings account. What's really, really cool, though, is that you can use this savings account to borrow money out of to go and buy assets. And let me show you how this works. It's really, really cool. You can take a loan. Let's say you take a $25,000 loan out of your insurance policy to buy a property that is cash flowing $3,600 a year. Then you use that $3,600 a year to pay back the loan to your life insurance policy. This rental income then pays this property off, or pays this loan off, in about 7 years. And after you get the money back, you can do it again. Get another $25,000 loan, except for this time you have $7,200 going back to the policy, which pays that particular loan off in 3 years instead of 7 years. And you can see how this works. It's really, really fast. After 10 years, you've had 3 of these, and now you've got 10,800 going back. It only takes just over 2 years to pay off those loans. The people that use this method buy far more properties than people who don't. And the entire time, their accumulated cash value is continuing to grow. That allows you to double arbitrage your money because you're earning interest on the money that is sitting there in your cash value bucket at the same time that you're earning money on the assets that the money from your cash value bucket allowed you to purchase. So it's like a savings account that you can borrow money out of, except for your money that you borrowed out of the savings account is still earning interest. And that is arbitrage on top of arbitrage, or double arbitrage. It's fantastic. In addition to that, all of the money that's accumulating in your cash value bucket, it's all growing tax-free. It's an incredibly powerful thing. Now, many people have heard that permanent life insurance, like whole life insurance and universal and index life insurance policies, are horrible because they're very, very expensive policies. And while that's true, if they're set up the right way, they don't have to be. And what I mean by the right way is it needs to be set up so that there's as little insurance death benefit part as possible and as much ability to overfund the policy as possible. In other words, putting additional cash into the accumulated value bucket as possible. And when you do that, it allows you to use the majority of the money for what we just talked about. And I use this. People on RP Capital team use this. Many of our customers use this. And we've seen over the years that this is incredibly powerful. So much so that we wanted to share it with you. And we have found insurance agents who get this and understand exactly what it is that we're trying to accomplish. And so we refer people to those agents so that you're not getting the wrong type of policy. All right. This is a fantastic way to grow your wealth and really put it on overdrive, better than anything else that I've seen. And so anyway, wanted to share this with you. This is the way that real estate investors use permanent life insurance to increase the value of their portfolios much more rapidly than everybody else. So if you're interested, you simply put your information in here and we will get you connected with somebody who can help you put this together.